Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest reviews and deep dives into the most sought-after beauty products on the market. Today, we're featuring what we believe to be the best Sonia Kashuk Makeup Brushes alternative you can find right now. The Real Techniques 4-piece face-base makeup brush set. This set is a standout in the beauty tools category, and we're going to break down exactly why. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek design. The brushes come in a bright, vibrant orange finish, and each brush is crafted with extended aluminum ferrules. That not only add durability but also make them incredibly lightweight and travel-friendly. These aren't just pretty to look at, they are built for performance. The set includes 4 essential brushes: the RT256 Ultra Buff Brush, the RT257 Small Conceal Brush, the RT258 Flat Contour Brush, and the RT402 Setting Brush. Each of these brushes is specifically engineered with ultra-plush, custom-cut synthetic bristles that deliver a smooth, flawless finish. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these tools are incredibly intuitive and versatile. Let's start with the Ultra Buff Brush. This one's your powerhouse for applying and blending foundation. The dense bristles ensure that liquid or cream foundation glides over your skin for a smooth, even base. The coverage it gives is buildable, and you won't find streaks left behind like with some other brushes. Next up, the Small Conceal Brush. It's perfect for targeted concealer application. The size and cut of the bristles make it ideal for getting into the smaller contours of your face. Think under the eyes or around the nose. It works well with both cream and liquid concealers and doesn't drag or irritate sensitive areas. Then we have the Flat Contour Brush. This brush is a sculptor's dream. Its flat, firm shape helps you define cheekbones, jawlines, and even your forehead with precision. Use it with cream contour or bronzer for a snatched, lifted look without harsh lines. It buffs product in effortlessly while maintaining definition. Finally, the Setting Brush. This one's fantastic for finishing your look. It's fluffy and lightweight, making it great for applying setting powder under the eyes or highlighter on the high points of your face. It picks up just the right amount of product, helping you avoid a cakey finish. All the brushes in this kit are 100% cruelty-free and vegan, which is a huge plus. Real Techniques has really lived up to its reputation by delivering quality without compromise. These brushes feel premium but come at an incredibly affordable price, making them a perfect gift option or travel companion. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. You can use it with foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, and setting powder. Whether you're creating a natural everyday look or going full glam, this set supports it all. It also plays well with various makeup textures, liquids, creams, and powders, so you're not limited in your product choices. That wraps up today's feature on Product Critique. If you're looking to level up your makeup game with tools that deliver professional results without breaking the bank, this Real Techniques set is your next must-have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.